Okay, let's look at two more cases for circularity. Like I said, you can apply it to cones and spheres. So what does it do when we apply it to a cone? Well, our tolerance zone, just like always, is two concentric circles. So I will take a cross section, and hopefully that cross section is a circular one. It has to be for circularity to be applied, but when you're testing it, you might have it at a wrong angle, and therefore it wouldn't be circular. But you will try to turn it around this axis, and you will measure the variation from circularity. Now, it is not under any circumstances saying, well, the maximum right here and the minimum right here are connected. No, it's just a single cross section. So if I vary this much here, I vary this much here, that can pass as long as that is 0.004, or this is 0.004. It is just these two circles. Look at it from the front, it might look something like this. I'll make sure that my two concentric circles right here are never violated, never breaks that boundary. Now, circularity will have no effect, though, on cone angle or size limits. It doesn't constrain that. It's not meant for that. You need a profile tolerance, which are probably the best way to do it, or maybe an angularity tolerance to constrain the angle. And my feature control frame in these kind of cases can be attached with a leader in both cases. What about a sphere? Honestly, it's not very well defined. It's one of those things that you probably shouldn't do. Like, what direction of the circular element is going to be applied? It's not necessarily stated, because I'm going to have circularity. I might be crossing through all this way. All these would technically be circular elements, but maybe you could do it in all directions. Would be a conservative way of doing it, but maybe that's going to cause it to fail in cases it shouldn't. Are the circular elements located to the sphere's center? So there's a whole lot of things that aren't known here, so I would avoid this. I would really avoid this. And if you see this, make sure you talk to the person who gave you that part so you understand exactly what they're going for. There's very little cause for having circularity on a sphere for a few cases where you would need this. But if you see it, be careful because it's not well defined. It's one of those things that we're probably going to update in our standard. So that's it for this. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.